BMW E70. So here we have the globals. As you can see, here is the whole globals. You can see the formica has been peeled. So here is the one that we want to install. I see the formica is still very okay, well neat. So this one is the bad one. Here is the good one we are about to install. Also goes this way. Yeah, so right now we have not connected it, so we have to open it manually. We have to open from here. So we push this little bar. Let's see how it's now open. Fast, so therefore disconnect it from here. This for the lights. This one the pick it for the globus. This for the globus actuator, the one that actually opens the globus whenever you press the button. So disconnection the wire. Okay. I've taken another one. We're about to sockets, new wires. There's a little stuff here that I needed to check. Okay, I think there's something is missing on this one. There's something is missing from this. So I think we have to remove. This one has automatic returns that usually has a cable. So this one was a cable. One thing is this one is going to work. It's going to work with this. I think there's a little differences. Here there's a little differences. I don't know if I'm trying to put this here, but I don't think it's gonna work. So let me just try a second chance if it's gonna be possible. Well, according to what I'm saying here, the thing is somehow a true actuator. Okay. From what I'm saying here, this globus is not gonna work with this car. The globus is a little bit different. Probably I'm going to return this back to the market and get the white globus. So there's no way for us to install that now. It's in progress. I see this is what the globus is supposed to be. So checking out the globus. I'm taking it out. I'm about to install other things. We try much as possible to install the console, the center console. We are taking out the center console. We install the new center console, then we replace the steering wheel as well. And what again, we have so many things that we needed to do here, so many works. The roof is not yet here, so we are still working on the roof. We are checking out all the sound system and everything, so we're gonna start with some of the things that we needed to do before then. Thank you guys.